In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple autonomous AI agent that will manage your email inbox for yourself, completely automatic without you having to do anything. My name is Miguel from FlowShift.ai, which is an AI automation studio that is dedicated to automate workflows and help your business leverage AI. A brief introduction of the concept of AI automation. It's basically the connection between two very powerful worlds, which is artificial intelligence and automation. So touching this example here, it's basically an automated workflow with an AI task or AI agent in the middle. So basically, this is a workflow. This is our workflow to manage our email inbox, which has different AI tasks that I'm going to explain. Basically, what this automation does is it gets the emails, reads and categorizes them, and then depending on the categorization, we have filters that will trigger different actions. This automation is created with no code tools, so it's beginner friendly. We basically use Make for the automation, and we use Airtable as a database. Both are free to start. And then we have OpenAI. We use OpenAI API. Get a little bit smaller. In this case, I'm using GPT 3.5, which is fairly cheap to use, but can be not perfect. So if we want better results, we can use the GPT-4, the GPT-4 Turbo that just came out, but it will be slightly more expensive. So basically, in this case, try to get this out of the way. In this case, we got the automation read 10 different emails. I input the different categories, so this is very important. I have to predetermine the categories. This is my category 1. This is my brief description of the category 1, and then I have category 2, description of category 2, and then 3 and 4 the same. And then I use that as a pre-made prompt for OpenAI. And basically say you are an expert virtual assistant and your job is simply to categorize the emails. These are the possible categories and their respective descriptions. So I'm basically saying these are the different categories. Here's the description of them. Read the email, give me a category. This is what happens in the phase 1. Then we have different filters. And these filters will basically read the output of the OpenAI module and see if the output contains the category 1, will perform a certain action. In this case, I have 3 different actions. One is putting a tag, it's tagging the email. In this case, the tag, or in this case, I'm moving to a different folder, not tagging. We could also tag, but I'm moving to a specific folder, automations. So if OpenAI categorizes the email as about automations, automatically we will move to a folder called automations. If the output of OpenAI is category 4, which is in this case, category 4 is personal. So if it is a personal email, it will draft a response. If it is category 1, 2, or 4, it will summarize the response and store it whatever I want. In this case, I'm storing the responses in Airtable. By the way, in the end, I will explain you how you can get these templates. So it will be just plug and play. You just replace with your own variables and it's ready to go. And this is built on Gmail, but also works with any email provider. And imagine, so this is dynamic. I can come here and add as many categories as I want, as long as I add the categories here and I have to add them to the prompt of OpenAI. And I can also do something like if I have another folder, I can simply clone this, not you, but you come to the router and you just set up a filter and you want another folder, for example, I don't know, marketing, and this will be something similar if the OpenAI output contains, in this case, would be category 5 that we still don't have here, but you can have as many actions as you want. So imagine summarize. You can put just add them here because they will just summarize. But if you want to draft a specific response, in this case, is if I get personal emails, I want I pre-prompt a tone of voice, identity, and intent for the drafted response. I can select the whole branch, copy, paste. I can have another drafted path that I just have to, I don't know, category 6, just as an example. And in this case, I want very professional, friendly, goodbye. So you can have like as many categories as you want and then determine what action will happen to that specific category. So you can just basically um, enhance your um, Gmail AI agent. Just deleting this to make it simple. In this case, I had it read 10 emails and ChatGPT run the 10 different operations, and like one email went to the folder, 3 emails were drafted a response, and 4 emails were summarized. Where do these go? Like in this case, I've added to an Airtable. These were added right now. These 4 emails that I have basically just a subject, who's from, and a summary of the email. In this case, um, so this is just a very basic explanation of this AI automation. If you want this template ready to deploy and activate, there's a link below that I explain and give you the templates, and then I have a video explaining you how to set it up. And if you get the template, you'll also get an additional automation that will basically allow you to manage these summarized emails with one click. So for example, if this email is a delete, it will disappear. Imagine this will disappear. Well, in this one, I want to I want a friendly goodbye. So I'm determining the intention to draft a response. And on the next run of that automation, let me run it in the background. It will see that there was an email ready to with the draft command, and here's the drafted response. Exactly. Here's the drafted response. So I can come here and I can edit Miguel. I can add whatever I want. And if it is ready to go, you click send. And on the next automation run, it will send the drafted response and update this to email has been sent. So basically, the second automation will allow you to manage your summarized emails with just one click. Delete, draft, or send. And that's about it. If you like this automation, just drop a comment below. If there's anything you would like me to see me automating, give me ideas in the comments. But yeah, AI is a new era, and the combo with automation is a very, very powerful combo. If you want to integrate AI into your business, into your workflows, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you very soon.